Ever heard of Southern chocolate gravy? A delightful twist on the traditional savory gravy, this sweet Southern delicacy is a must-try for all chocolate lovers out there. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need. Gather up a quarter cup of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 2 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, take a medium saucepan and whisk together the cocoa powder, flour, and sugar. You want to ensure that these dry ingredients are thoroughly combined and free of lumps. Next, it's time to gradually stir in the milk. Keep that whisk moving constantly to ensure the mixture stays smooth. Now, place the saucepan over medium heat and cook. Keep whisking often until the mixture is thickened to a gravy-like consistency. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Once thickened, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in the butter and vanilla extract until the butter is melted and the gravy is smooth. And voila! You've made your very own Southern chocolate gravy. Serve it warm over freshly baked biscuits, pancakes, or even a bowl of your favorite breakfast cereal. Go ahead and give this Southern chocolate gravy a try at home. It's a unique and delightful twist on the traditional gravy we all know and love. And when you do, don't forget to share your experience in the comments. For more delicious recipes like this, make sure to subscribe to Magnolia Moon. Until next time, keep your kitchen filled with love and your plates filled with deliciousness.